was good chat.
We in LA. We're about to go watch a Dodgers game.
On the search for Buzz Bars.
What are we doing? Are you guys on a warm bus home?
Bro, Amigos Toxicos, we're fucking sweating looking for your shit, bro. Fuck. Y'all need to put this shit on the map. Bro, this shit was so hard to find, bro. Get 3 Amigos Toxicos mango.
Is that good?
Yeah, brother. It's really sweet though.
Really?
Yeah.
Those are the YouTubers, huh?
Yeah. Watch. You got a little cup? Like a little cup?
Appreciate it.
Yeah, of course, brother. Did it taste good?
Fucking hot. We're here. I wish I had the mic.
She'll get jewelry. Look at that.
¿Ayuda? ¿Pregunta?
No, gracias. Check this out, chat. Shit, hold up, good look. Take a bite. Yummies.